Hello guys and welcome to my first tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be talking about a little bit about Spring Boot. For this tutorial you will need Eclipse for Java developers installed, Java JRE that will be so you can be able to build the Java classes and run Eclipse. And you'll need Apache Maven to build the project itself. So let's start. Maybe start by creating a new Spring Boot project. The first that you'll need to do is open the start.spring.io. It's a Spring initializer. Why do you need a Spring initializer? Because there is a lot of boilerplate code, and then you don't want to write it by yourself. So you can generate your own project, empty project right here. You can import it on Eclipse, and you will be able to start with the Spring Boot project. Why Spring Boot and not Spring? Because Spring Boot is just Spring configured in a default way that maybe everybody wants to use it like this. It's Spring Boot uses something called convention over configuration. So all the Spring framework is configured in Spring Boot, and if you want to override settings, you'll be able to do it. So this is really simple to start a Spring project. Okay, we can start by making a group. So maybe programming dot voting artifact voting web app. This is a Maven project. We have an artifact, we have a group, and here we will be able to select the dependencies that we want and that we need in our project. In this case, we'll need for now the web dependency, which will launch a Tomcat server, and you'll be able to access it like in the port 8080 in your local host. You can override the settings because it's Spring Boot and default is 8080. So we select the web. We can be the full view. Description: this will be a voting web app. We have a jar. Okay, pretty much that's it. You can click generate project, you'll download it. So you can go to downloads, voting web app, we can extract it. Okay, we have it extracted. We can move it to whatever you want. I'll move for my Eclipse workspace. Let's open up Eclipse. And we can start importing the project. Let's wait. And we'll import the project, and then we can start working with Spring. Welcome screen here, we don't want that. File, import. Oh, I have a previous web app here, it was a test. Okay, we can delete this. Delete project. Maybe this is the web app that I've... Okay, let's import it again. Maybe because I pasted in the workspace. Okay, we'll select Maven, existing Maven project. This is because this is it's already configured to be a Maven project. So this is our project. Open up and finish. Okay, we have our application here. This is building. You can build your application by just going to your workspace. In this case, is documents, workspace, and go to your application. You can do Maven clean install. Sorry. Okay. it will just build the project, so the build should be successful. Let's see if this is working. Okay, tests, build, success. So our code will be here in this source main Java. So we have here the Spring Boot main application. So to conclude our tutorial, the first tutorial, I'll print this just hello world. Why not? Hello world. Okay. We can run it here, and it should print the hello world. Okay. So we have our first Spring Boot app. You can think that this is pretty simple. Of course, this is simple, but in further tutorials, I'll be teaching you some interesting things like database operations. We will be working with MongoDB. You will learn how to make HTTP requests. You will learn how to make a controller to receive those requests. You will learn how to make the front end, the simplistic front end with a voting style. So that's pretty much it. This project will be linked down below with all the links that you need. So in the GitHub, the tutorials for configuring Eclipse, Maven, etc., etc. If you want to follow this tutorial, it will be nice or easier for you to have a Linux machine or a Mac machine, because it's easier to configure everything. But Windows is completely possible, and you can use it too. So I hope you guys watch the video, like the video. So drop a like, subscribe my channel to see more content. And as always, stay awesome.